Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and today I just wanted to record a quick video to show you the difference between photopolymer stamp sets and cling stamp sets and how to put both of them together. Thanks. Okay, so there are two different types of stamp sets when you get stamps from Stampin' Up. One is the cling stamps. These come pre-cut on rubber, so they're deep impressions, amazing stamps, and then they have a sticker sheet. So that's one type of stamp set, and I'm going to show you how to put that together. And then the other type is the photopolymer stamp set. Those come, this one is a large set, so there's two packages in here. If it's a smaller set, you would just have one, but these come on these sheets, and you would just pull this off and stick them to an acrylic block. So the acrylic blocks are come in different sizes, and you order those separately. So here's a couple. These are easy to clean. Just throw them in the dishwasher, or you can use alcohol or something. You can see mine are a little bit dirty, need to clean them. But all you do on these is pull them off of here like that, stick them on the block, and now you are ready to stamp. Then when you put them away, you just put them back here and put them back in. Now also, the newer stamp sets, it depends on how old your stamp sets are. The photopolymer, we'll go over the cling in a minute. The newer ones have a sheet, have the actual images on the label that's in your DVD case. So on those, you don't need to keep this part here. You can just take them off of here and discard this. Maybe you have another craft use for these sheets, but you won't need this. You can just stick them to the images here, which also makes it then much easier to use, because now you just come to your stamp set and pull off your stamp, put it on your block, you're ready to go. You don't have to mess with the little peeling part, just stick it back there and put it away. So I love that. All right, so for the cling sets, all right, let's put together this big fan coral here. You're going to pop it out of your rubber, and you'll notice on your sticker sheet there is a split on each sticker right in the middle. So you're going to pull it from there. Your sticker is just sitting on this sheet, okay? So you don't want to peel that off yet. Different people put them together different ways, but you want to just peel that off. This will stay clung to that bottom sheet, so don't worry about that. Now this is important. There's also a protector on the back side of this, so you want to take that off. Now you could just use your set this way, but then when you're stamping you wouldn't see the pattern. So I like to put the stickers on the stamps. So what you'll do is you'll just get your head over the top of it, and you will line up the edges. Make sure you look in a couple of different spots. And then just press, and then you just pop it off of your sheet. Okay, so now it is ready to stick to your block. Let's do one more. So these are some of the words. Just peel that off. forget to take this part off. Okay, then you're going to line up the edges. Now, if you miss, you're going to have to just go with it, because this sticker is so strong that if you miss and you try to peel it back off, you're going to peel apart that rubber right there. That rubber is going to come with it, and you need that for the cushioning of your set. Another important part of this is that once you put it on your block and you stamp with it, when you pull it off, you can't just peel it. It's really stuck on there good, right? They've improved these stickers over the years. So you're going to take your fingernail and kind of get it started. Because if you just peel without getting it started, it could be stuck on there so good that you hurt your foam. So just get it started with your fingernail. Okay? So when you put these away, you have, you probably won't keep this rubber. You can, again, just stick them to your case like that, and they will stay inside there. All of the images of what's in the case is on the front. So if you think you're missing one, you can just refer to the front. And another option, one of the things that I do with mine is that I will take a window sheet when I'm done putting them together, and I will stick this leftover piece to a window sheet. That gives me where they go, and at an easy glance I can tell if I am missing one. And again, in your case too, get it started with your fingernail. You don't want to hurt the foam. So, but once you have them all put together, they are always ready to go and easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and hopefully that answered any questions about how to put the Stampin' Up! Stamp sets together so that they're ready to go when you're ready to stamp. Thanks, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Thanks.